Hello everyone, welcome to Encryption, the tech tips and tutorial channel. In this video of advanced Excel tutorial series, we are going to learn the Sumifs function in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. The Sumifs function in Excel is used to calculate the value of something with multiple criteria. For example, you want to print or calculate the sum of an item in a particular zone out of many items and out of many zones. Let's learn it with a demo. Here I have a sample table with some random values. I took this sample table from the link as shown on the screen. You can find the link in the description below as well. In the previous video, we used Sumifs function to calculate the total sum of particular item with only one criteria. That is, we calculated the total sum of pencil used by everyone in all regions. Then we calculated the total sum of a binder used by everyone in all the regions. Likewise, we calculated the total sum of disk used by everyone in all the regions. And we also calculated the total sum of all the items in the East region only. In this video, we will use the Sumifs function to calculate the total sum of a particular item used by a particular person in all the regions or in a particular region. Let's learn it by some examples. Let's say we want to calculate the total sum of pencil used by everyone in the East region only. For this, the super simple way is to click on a box on which you want to display the result. Click on the Formulas button, click on the Math and Trig, scroll down and click on the Sumifs function. A new window will open. This window is of the Sumifs function, which takes the value as arguments. On the sum_range box, you need to specify the total sum range. So click on the first total value and drag it through the last value and release the mouse. As you can see, the range is automatically filled on the box. Next, we need to specify the criteria range. The first criteria range is the regions. Select all the region because there are multiple occurrences of the East region. Then on the criteria 1 box, you need to specify the particular region, which in our case is the East. Just clicking on one of the boxes that includes East, it is taken by the formula, or you can manually type East inside the double quotation. For the next criteria_range 2, we need to specify the range of the next criteria, which in our case is items. Select all the item and release the mouse pointer. Then for the criteria 2, just click on the pencil box. Here we can see the total cost of pencil in the East region. Click on the OK button to get the result on the selected box of the Excel sheet. This is how with the Sumifs function in Microsoft Excel, we can calculate the sum of multiple criteria. But with the Sumifs function, we can calculate only the sum of one criteria. Moving on, let's see another example of Sumifs function. We will calculate the total cost of the items sold or taken by zones in the East region. The way to calculate this is the same, but the criteria ranges will be different. On the Formulas section, click on the Math and Trig and click on the Sumifs function. Then in the sum_range, we will specify the total range. On the criteria_range 1, we should specify the region range from the first to the last. Then on the criteria, we should specify the particular region, which is East in our case. Likewise, to the criteria_range 2, we should specify the second criteria range, which is Rep in our case. And on the criteria 2, we should specify the second criteria, which in our case is zones. You can select any box with the name zones. The total sum of the cost of all items taken by zones in the East region is displayed here. Just click on OK. Let's see another example which will have more than 2 criteria. For this example, we will calculate the total cost of the pencils taken by zones in the East region. We have 3 criteria. For this, we don't need to use any new logic, but we can simply add the criteria range and criteria number. First, specify the sum underscore range, which is the total range. Then criteria underscore range 1, which is the region. Then criteria 1, which is east. You can simply click on the one of the east boxes and Excel will know it. Then criteria underscore range 2, which is the rep. The criteria 2 is zones. Now if you don't see any new box to add more criteria, you can scroll down from here. As you can see, you can use up to 127 criteria. Click on the criteria underscore range 3 and specify the criteria 3 range, which is item in our case. And the criteria 3 is pencil. Clicking on any of the boxes with the item pencil, it will be automatically taken by the Excel calculator. We get the result here. Click on the OK button to exit from the window. We can see the total sum calculated as per our condition. Okay guys, this is how we can use the Sumifs function in Microsoft Excel to calculate the sum of multiple criteria. I hope the video was useful to you. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in other videos. Goodbye.